In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can cut out an image in Krita. So I have an image here and I will do an example. I will cut out the face part. So to cut out the face, first you need to click on this polygon selection tool, and then we're gonna select all the part that we want to cut out. So here I will just start selecting. I will make sure to select it in detail. Select the hair and just like this. And then make sure select this part. And then you have to just join them like this. After you select the part, for example this the face, you right click with the mouse button and click on cut selection to new layer. Now you'll notice now you have two layers, the one without the face and the one with just the face. Now if you delete this one, this layer here, just click here and click on remove layer. Now you will see that you have just the face part. And let me increase the size really quickly. So if I want to save this, let's see here, export, and then I can put it in desktop and save it as here. And after it's saved, you'll notice now that you have the face part only without the body. It's like a transparent image. Yeah, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, thank you.